Welcome back to our final installment of this video series, doing your first data science project using the Titanic Kaggle dataset. So we're at the end, but not really. What does that mean? I'll explain. So, um, so this walkthrough was, intended for beginners to walk them through their first data science project, and that's what we did. We used the Titanic Kaggle dataset, which is a clean data set. However, data scientists' work is never done. So, data scientists always are looking to improve their outcomes, improve their models to test other variables that may have been discarded or overlooked in the past. So, in this conclusion, Juan lists three suggestions of things that you can do in terms of looking at the features that were discarded to see if there's anything there, learning more about the different parameters of the logistic regression, which is also another important point. So again, data scientists, part of that job is reading the documentation, understanding what different methods or different functions can do, different classes can do, and looking at the parameters, like different settings, like think about setting or tuning a radio dial, right, to get the clearest, radio signal. It's the same thing. So they're constantly tuning, playing with the parameters to see if you can get improved model performance and scores. Also, there are other algorithms that we listed above, but we didn't use that you could go back and try. Um, so we encourage you to keep trying. Obviously, feel free to let us know how you're doing in the comments section below. If you run into any roadblocks, please post it. Either Juwan, I, or someone else out there in the global data science community, because that's what you're a part of now. And the main thing is to keep trying. We know this is overwhelming, but we know that you can do it as well. There's a link to Juwan's Twitter page, which we encourage you to follow. And hope that you enjoyed this tutorial walkthrough. We also have some additional resources here from experts on how to become a data scientist, free public learning. So that this one's from Harvard, very good, and then there are others as well. MIT, Stanford has free course information. Machine learning basics, math basics, and then if you want to. So as we mentioned initially, Kaggle is a competition website. So data scientists take a common or the same data set and they try to build the best model, and they actually compete against each other. And they will by submitting the their data set to the website. So we have some code here that you could run if you're interested in doing that. Also, in the files, back at the beginning when we were downloading the data, the third file, which is gender_submission, is an example file that Kaggle provides so that you can see an example of what they're looking for in terms of a submission. And sometimes actually some of these contests, they have them for data for all different kinds of things, topic areas, and you can actually win prizes if you're a winner of the competition. But regardless, it's really not about that. It's about building your portfolio of work and showing what you can do, and just opportunities to practice data science, because that's the best way to learn data science is by practicing, because there's no way that you can study and learn everything there is to know. You're always learning something new. The technology is always changing. You have to read the documentation. You have to look things up and post questions to the global community. So, data scientists love to learn, and we're sure that you do as well if you want to continue in that. Again, my name is Adam Morris. The author is Juwan Kehoe. We thank you for your participation in this video series and wish you all the best. as you go out and explore the data science world. Thank you for watching.